Never know what you gotta go up against, man. Go get that man. Go get that money, man. Go get that money, man. You gotta be able to adjust and adapt, man, to everything. Just part of it. They're actually cleaning this out so someone else can rent it. We actually gotta come through here. All this stuff need to be clean. But the people don't wanna pay the money. Look at this, oh my God. All right, well, we're gonna come through here. To get here, we're gonna tighten up this little deck right here. We also gonna go up there and blow that off real quick. And it stops right there. You see the other unit starts over there. But we're gonna clean this off real quick in the back of this townhome. And we're gonna get up out of here, man. Wow. People were living like savages, man. You gotta take care of the stuff you got, man. Everybody ain't grateful, man. You get it, take care of it. I don't know, what they building another house back there or something? I don't know. A lot of wood. I guess they are, building a deck right here. Damn, but look at all that. Golly, look at that over there. Sheesh. But anyway, let me stick to the script. Y'all stay tuned. I'm like, with a ladder. It's right there. We ain't got that far yet. Go back down here and get this ladder. Open that door up, say it. Come here. Say it. Open the door. So I can come right through.
So,
There you go. Here.
I'm putting it up there. When you get up there, you're gonna go up there.
Yeah, you ready?
Yeah.
You ready to get it?
But
You going up?
oh, you're gonna blow up the roof first, and then we're gonna do the deck.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. No pressure cleaning the house, none of that.
Yeah, we gonna wash the back of the house.
Okay. All right. Cool.
Can you handle it?
Yeah.
You ain't afraid, are you?
Not really.
You don't have the heebie-jeebies no more? The deck
No.
stable?
Yeah.
Okay. Shit. I'm trying to get out of here in about an hour or less. Okay? Think we can do it? Mm-hmm. All right. Let's do it. That joint leaking too? Yeah. So leaking like a mother, man. Whatever you gotta do to get what you need to get it done. Early and often, baby. We out here. Actually, I'm in here. Y'all watch on. Peace.